it's getting heated. My hangriness must be kicking in. No better way to fix that than with a stop by May's Meat Market. It's tucked just off the main strip down a dirt road. You have to know it's there to find it. But oh man, have folks found it. May's is a dinosaur of a concept that's still very much alive in Eastland. And this is owner Jimmy Pitzer.
Jimmy, good to see you, man.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. All right, so let me get this right. Half of this is a meat market, and the other half is a cafe.
Yes.
Well, if you need to, get an extra steak, you just walk across the building.
You can come pick out your steak, and we'll cook it for you.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Hot dog.
It don't get much fresher than that. Jimmy worked for years in the meat department of a big chain supermarket and realized, well, he preferred the old school way.
A lot of stores are now coming pre-packed, so you can't get that special cut. So you come here to get that higher quality beef. Everything's hand cut, from bacon wrapped quail to our homemade sausage. We also make our own beef jerky.
Jimmy's a young man with an old butcher's soul. May's is named after the previous owner's mother, but when they got ready to retire, they called Jimmy.
So is it more work than you expected?
Yes, it's a lot of work, but I get to see my family and work at the same time and do what I love doing.
I love it, absolutely. What's the more popular side of the business, the meat counter or the cafe?
It's about split.
Is it really?
The cafe side of things turns out an endless stream of delicious burgers, hand-battered chicken fried steak, and daily specials. And judging by the smiles on customers' faces, it's all very good.
Well, dude, I can't decide what I want for lunch.
You want to come help make your lunch?
Make the lunch?
Yeah.
All right, okay.
Let's do it.
Give me some gloves.
All right.
This is Mary the Butcher.
Put me to work.
We're gonna make some steak fingers.
Steak fingers, I love it.
You ready to tenderize it?
Turn up the machine.
All right.
It's like a chainsaw.
You run it through there, and then you turn it, run it again.
Okay.
Attaboy. See if it's tender.
Oh.
Do it about one more time.
You gotta kind of slap the meat around
There you go.
sometimes, just to
Yeah,
know.
you have to sometimes. Now, pick up your knife.
Okay.
We're gonna try to make you 4 steak fingers out of this. There's
Like that?
one, yes.
All right, one.
You can just make 3 if you can. That's it. And that's how we do
That's
it. Yeah.
There. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next, it's into the batter, the grease, and then my belly.
Ooh, well, thank you, ma'am. Oh, man. I've eaten a lot of steak finger baskets in my life, and this definitely looks better than 100% of them. Like, that right there, that's a Texas-sized steak finger. All right, let's go. Oh, man, that's good. The steak is perfectly tenderized, if I do say so myself. Like, absolutely perfect. They nailed the tenderizing. I don't know who did that, but they deserve a raise.
Anybody? No.
The crust, perfectly crispy. The gravy's peppery and creamy. Like, this is on a whole nother level. This is amazing. I love this place because it's both like a throwback with the old school butcher shop, but then like a modern meat market with this delicious food. It's got one foot in both worlds, and that means more delicious meat in my stomach.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.